we'll guide you through how to join the Namecheap affiliate program. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Namecheap website and scroll down to the bottom of the homepage, where you'll see the affiliates link. Click on it to be taken to the affiliate program page. Here, you'll find all the information about the program. Before you proceed, make sure to read through the terms and conditions to understand the requirements and benefits. Next, click on the Join Now button to start your application. You will need to create a Namecheap account if you don't already have one. Click Sign Up, then fill in your email address. Choose a username and create a secure password. Don't forget to confirm your email address by checking your inbox for a verification email. Once your account is set up, return to the affiliate page and log in with your new credentials. Now, complete the affiliate application form with your personal and payment details. Be sure to provide accurate information, as this is crucial for receiving commissions. Once submitted, your application will be reviewed by the Namecheap team. You'll receive an email notification once your application is approved, which typically takes a few days. After approval, you can log back into your affiliate account and access your unique referral links and banners. You can use these in your blogs, websites, or social media to start earning commissions on referrals. Remember, successful affiliates often promote Namecheap's services by sharing honest reviews and offering value to their audience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.